Do you want to speak English fluently but you feel stuck? Do you translate every sentence from a native language before speaking? If yes, then this video is for you. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. This is Ramakant. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Learning English Together. In today's video, I am going to share how you can stop translating and start thinking in English. Yes guys, and you all know very well, thinking in English is very crucial in order to be fluent in this language. So let's dive into the video without any delay. First of all, let me be honest with you guys. When I first started learning this language, I used to face the same problem. I knew grammar rules, I knew some English words, but when it was the time to speak, my mind went blank. I started thinking in my native language. Then I tried to translate everything word by word. You know what happened then? I got confused. I made mistakes. I lost my confidence. Then I felt like giving up. But I did not give up. I realized the real problem was not grammar or vocabulary. The real problem was I was not thinking in English. Then I asked myself, what can I do? How can I train my brain to think in English? The answer was simple but powerful. Create an English environment. Yes, guys, you need to create an English environment in your mind. You don't need to go to an English speaking country. You can create that environment inside your own head. I started with simple steps. When I woke up, I looked around and said everything in English. Like, I'm getting up now, I'm sitting on the bed, I'm drinking a glass of water, I'm going to the washroom, I'm brushing my teeth, I'm washing my face. It felt silly in the beginning, but it worked. Slowly, my brain got used to using English. Then I began talking to myself, not loudly, just in my mind. For example, when I would go to my work, I would think in English, like the weather is nice today, I need to reach on time, I forgot to bring my wallets. These simple thoughts repeated daily and it helped me thinking faster in English. Then I started describing things I saw. If I saw a tree, I did not just say tree. I said this is a tall green tree. The leaves are moving in the wind. If I saw a person, I would think he's wearing a black shirt. He looks tired. This helped my grow vocabulary without even realizing it. You don't need big words. You just need simple and clear thinking. That's how fluency starts. Another powerful habit I built was asking myself questions like, what did I do today? What will I have for my dinner? What is my goal for this week? I also answered those questions in English. This practice is gold because you are not just thinking in English, you are talking to yourself in English. Some of you might say, but I don't have time. My answer is you don't need extra time. You just need to use the time you already have. While cooking, think in English. While walking, think in English. While waiting for the bus, describe the people around you in your mind. These small moments will add up and change everything. And here is a secret. You will make mistakes. You might forget words. You might get stuck. But that's okay because mistakes are part of the process. You need to remember your goal is not perfection. Your goal is progress one step at a time. Thinking in English is like going to the gym. The more you train your brain, the stronger it gets. At first, you may lift only small weights, but if you keep going, one day you will lift fluency with ease. So, my friends, if you really want to speak English confidently, start from your mind. Start by thinking in English, not translating. Use simple words. Use daily thoughts. Speak to yourself. Practice every single day. And remember, Fluency is not a talent, it's a habit. And you have the power to build that habit stronger now. So, my friends, are you ready to take this step? If yes, start from today. Comment below and say, I will start from today onwards. I hope you would like this video. If you do, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel so that you never miss an update when I upload videos on my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Have a great day.